Hey there everyone, in this video I am going to install iPadOS 27 Developer Beta 1 to my iPad. And if you also want to do the same, then you can follow me along. But before we begin, let me tell you, since this is Developer Beta 1, I am expecting it to have a lot of bugs. And it is also recommended to have backup of your important data. If you are okay with these both points, then you can follow us along. Alright, so first of all, for that, I need to go to settings, and then here in general we need to go to software update. Now we require Apple developer beta profile enabled to your Apple ID, and it is very easy guys. All we need to do is we need to visit Safari, and then we need to look for Apple developer beta profile, and then here in Apple beta software testing program, click on sign up with your Apple ID, and then you are good to go. Now I'm gonna tap here cross since I already have signed up. In your case, if you are doing this for the first time, tap on account and then sign in. Once done, you are successfully signed up for beta profile. Now let's go back in setting, and now here in software update, you need to enable this beta updates. Alright, so from here you can choose iPadOS developer beta. Now once this got selected, you can go back, and then here you're gonna see the update, and this update is of a whopping 30 GB. So simply hit here on update now and enter your passcode. And then here we need to agree to the terms, and then here you will see the update will start downloading. And now here we need to accept the terms and condition and agree. Now again, the very similar or familiar, I would say, the interface. We can see some of capabilities of this new iPadOS 27, which of course we're going to try in our upcoming videos. Now, so as we also saw in WWDC 2026, this particular version is more of AI. So we're going to see a lot of improvement in terms of AI capability. Now let me quickly take you to the setting where we can see the version. And if I go here in about, you can see that it says iPadOS 27.0. So in this way we can install this iPadOS 27 Developer Beta 1 in our iPad. And of course you're going to see upcoming videos which will be around new features being added inside iPadOS 27. So if you are not subscribed to iPad Essential yet, I would consider you to subscribe, because in this channel you're gonna get everything about iPad and iPad productivity. Thanks everyone for watching, and I will see you around.